One, two, three. Okay, sige. Hello. Oh my God. Ang galing. Ang tagal ko ng ganito. Like, it's really binabae. Like, damn. Ang tagal ko ng tagal ko ng mag-documentary shit. Kasi dati noon, palagi akong nagdo-documentary videos. And then, i-upload ko siya sa YouTube. And then last night, I was watching it. Like, di naman lahat, pero almost noon. Almost lahat ng videos ko na in-upload ko dati. Ano, pinanood ko. And then, namimiss ko. Like, damn, nababother ako sa MacBook ko right now kasi nag-export ako ng video and para siyang airplane na aalis na papuntang Thailand. Yan, sana marinig nyo. But anyway, sige na. Nice ko. By the way, I'm filming this right now sa iPhone 5s ko. Well, iPhone 5s for aesthetic. Sige, anyway. May mga notif. Mamaya ka na. By the way, today is January 12, 2026. So, kumbaga, a year, it's been a year na last kong update kasi tiningnan ko yung channel ko and then channel ko. And last kong update was November 2024 pa. So, hello. Medyo nakalimutan ko yung low-key kung nakalimutan tong channel na to. But I do not care. Life goes on. Everybody, life goes on. Anyway, alam nyo, may microphone naman ako for iPhone. So, dyan gusto ko lang nito kasi yan yung amats ko for today's video. So, anyway, tangina, namiss ko to. Namiss ko yung mga ganitong amats ko dati. Mga random thoughts ko. Pinifilm ko, but here I am again. And then, alam nyo, napansin ko lang na palagi ko talagang hairstyle ang may bangs. Like, if titingnan nyo, palagi akong may bangs. I don't know, feeling ko kasi, ang pangit ko if wala akong bangs. I don't know. And, alam nyo, iniisip ko, may manonood ba nito? Except me? And it's just, ako lang yung manonood nito. And just for the sake of documentation of my life. Or ano man yung pinag-rant ko about my life noon. And then ngayon, it's just the same. So, ayun. Super, ang raming nangyari in a year actually. Already wait lang. Tingnan ko lang nag-e-export ba tong gagong to? Or hindi? Hindi ba? Ayaw niya mag-export. Ang tagal. But, sige, let's see. Baka mag-export. So, anyway, ang raming nangyari in a year. Though, naka-upload na rin ako ng isang video. I mean, ito na yung ina-export ko ngayon. But, ang raming nangyari in a year. TBH. As in, ang raming nangyari. To the point na, hindi ko na alam. Narant ko na kasi siya dun sa itong video na to. Punta kayo sa isa kong channel. Nandun yung I Feel 2025 or whatsoever na video. But ngayon, more on ranting lang siya and thoughts and update about my life. So, anong update ko? College na ako. College na ako. Chem-eng, first year. And pasado akong first semester. 2.7 lang nga sa calculus. 2.7 ako sa calculus. But, dead ma, bitch. Dead ma. Hey now. Akong pakialam sa pasado at wala akong natatapakan na ibang tao. That's fine. So anyway, pinanood ko yung mga videos ko dati. And then, just to think of it na I'm just, the way I talk right now and the way I talk before, almost the same lang siya. Walang pinagbago. So, I don't know. Amats. Ano pa? Actually, by the way, we're gonna review some movies kasi ayun ko, 2 days before, nanood ako ng, hindi, past 2 days ata. 2 days. Nanood ako ng movie. Like 3 movies, which are, una is Bar Boys. I mean, nasimulan ko ng Bar Boys and napanood ko na siya. But I just wanna watch it again. And then, Kontrabida Academy, and then Die Beautiful. So, and then, nauna pala ang Bar Boys, Die Beautiful, and then Kontrabida Academy. Natapos ko siya in 3 days. Diba, ganyan ako ka-bored nung ngayon na bakasyon. By the way, bakasyon namin, and we still have 1 week before the second semester starts. Pero, nagpapasok ako mga end of January na kasi usually pag first week of January or first week of new semester, sabi ng kapatid ko wala naman daw nangyayari. So, hindi ako papasok. Okay, hindi ako papasok. So, 2 weeks pa yung bakasyon ko. Hindi pa nga ako enrolled kasi hindi pa tapos yung grades ko. Shout out sa mga professor ko. Mag-upload na kayo para maka-enroll na kami. Anyway, sige. Let's start with the movie review. Oh my God. Alam nyo, just wanna say na nagba-vlog or nag-video ako kasi tinatamad akong tinatamad akong anong tawag dyan, anong tawag dun, mag-journal. So, in a way, ibinibideo ko na lang siya. And then, ako lang naman manonood. So, the fact that you care. Anyway, if ever may manonood nito, walang pakialam. Hello. Wala na namang sinasabing cancelable. Pero if ever sumikat ako in the future and then mahanap to ng mga amats na tao, walang pakialam. Wala akong sinasabing cancelable. No. Anyway. Ay, ngayon mag-movie review tayo. So, let's start with Bar Boys. I love Bar Boys. I think, siya yung isa sa mga movies na will really teach you a lot. Ang cliche, but yeah. May release pala ngayon, Bar Boys After School, but, hindi ko pa siya napapanood. Kasi wala akong perang pang sine. Kasi mahal na ng sine ngayon. Nag-round ako. Mahal ng sine ngayon, 300 something na. Dati, 200 lang. Ngayon, 300 na. So, wala akong perang pang sine. But maybe one day. So anyway, let's go with Bar Boys. Ang ganda ng Bar Boys, guys. It's actually about law students na magbo-board exam. And they have their struggles. 3 sila. Actually, 4 silang magbabarka. Dapat yung isang friend nila hindi nakapasa sa law school. So, 3. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan So, basta 3 sila. And then, isa dun, mayaman. Isa, nasa frat. Isa, hindi financial stuff. So, yun. Maganda siya. And, made me realize na kahit, every student may problema. Yung masasabi ko, may mga amat sa buhay, may mga problema sa buhay. But what really amazed me is yung dun sa isang character, kalimutan ko pangalan, yung namatay yung father niya before siya mag-bar exam, namatay yung father niya, and then hindi siya nakapasa and stuff, and then yung professor niyang babagsak sana siya, sabi niya na sabi nung character na nabagsak na baka hindi na siya mag-take, hindi na siya baka mag-call center na lang siya. And then sabi ng professor niya, it's your choice. Choice mo naman if magpo-professor ka, ay mag-call center ka, it's your choice. If hindi ka na mag-take ng bar exam ulit, that's your choice. Whatsoever. And then, sinabi niya na yung ginawa ng mga friends niya para makapasa siya. And then, I think pasado naman yung estudyante sadyang, I don't know, kinondisyon lang siya ng professor niya. But, what I really love about it is yung, if you want to succeed, sinabi ng professor niya, ito yung sinabi niya, if you want to succeed, you must sacrifice something. Like, hell yeah, that's true, actually. Pero sabi ko, if you want to succeed, you must sacrifice something. Diba? Basta, like, like, ang raming, di mo marami, pero may mga life lesson ka talaga matututunan sa Bar Boys. And, ayoko na magbigay ng hypnosis about the movie, bala na kayo, manood na lang kayo. But, I'll give them Bar Boys around 8.2. Dati 7 siya. But, maganda yung buko, pero around 8.2 or 8.4 out of 10. It's a great movie. I would recommend and I would rewatch it again. Anyway, next. Die Beautiful. Oh, Die Beautiful, the saddest among the 3. Kasi it's about a trans woman. Tama. It's about a trans woman na may raming nangyari sa kanya. She's been betrayed. She's been raped. Na-rape siya. Like, damn. Pero magandang Die Beautiful. Okay, and then she died because of aneurysm. Actually, ang ganda ng Die Beautiful kasi ganda ng casting. I love the casting. Si Mama Pao ang nakuha nilang. Si Mama Pao ang bida. So, it's a great, Mama Pao is the best. Anyway, so ayun. So, yung Die Beautiful, ang nashock lang ako kasi, a lot of us really want to be, we want to express ourselves kung sino tayo. And then, the trans people, they have different stories kasi different. Kasi, alam mo yung, no, dun kasi sa Die Beautiful, iniisip ko na while I was watching the movie, like, lahat ba ng mga trans, ganito yung nai-experience? They get betrayed, ginagamit sila, and then, this and that. And sabi ko, baka ganun. I don't know. So, but, ang, lang dun, yung grabe was yung na-rape. Si Trisha Estravan. Trisha kayong pangalan niya. So, grabe, no? Ang lala nun, naawa rin ako na nobody deserves that. Kaya sa mga tang-ina nyo, kung mga rapist kayo, wag, tang-ina nyo talaga, sana, tang-ina nyo. So, ang weird pa nun na, and by the way, this is sensitive, okay? This sensitive topic, you can skip this. But ang weird pa nun kasi yung one of the rapists na na-rape si Trisha, nag-commit siya ng relationship with Trisha in the future. So, parang, and then yung inamin na rin ng rapist dun kay Trisha. Parang, na deja vu ba? I don't know if deja vu is the right term. So, ayun. And then, one thing that I learned, ay, ito pa. May, di ba? And then, nung namatay si Trisha, gusto niya is everyday, bago-bago yung itsura niya. So, yun. And maraming pumunta sa burol niya. Ang ganda, actually. Ang ganda nung transition niya day by day. Ang ganda, ang ganda. So, one thing that I learned from this is yung sa Q&A niya na if mamatay ka daw, what? Like, who will be that person? Like, what person do you want to be? Nag-text ang Globe. Hi, Globe. Joke, charis. What person do you want to be? And then, sabi niya, if mamatay siya, she wants to be the same person as ngayon siya ngayon. Pero ako nga, no? Iniisip ko rin if mamatay rin ako. I actually want, if I'm ma-reincarnate ako, for God's sake, if totoo yan, I want to be me. Like, no choice. Ayoko na maging ibang tao. I couldn't ask for more or less, but I still want to be me. And then, ayun, ang ganda. And then, medyo na-highlight yung mga experience ng isang trans woman. So, ayun, kaya stop being homophobic, transphobic, everybody. Support, we are all equal. Okay? So, rating sa Die Beautiful is, I think, 7.2. But it's a good movie. I'll recommend, but I think hindi ko siya i-rewatch. But it's a good movie. 7.2 out of 10. Okay. I don't know if it's a good rating. Mataasan ko? It's a good movie, but 7.2. Anyways, it's a good movie. Next, we have Kontrabida. I'm talking right now kasi baka marinig ako ng ibang tao sa baba. Sabihin niya may amats na akong sasalita ako ng solo. So, ayun. Next movie is Kontrabida Academy. Wait lang nga, nag-export ba tong gagong to? Let's see. Oh, nag-export siya. Okay. Next movie is Kontrabida Academy. If you want a movie na walang problema, girl, watch Kontrabida Academy. As in, walang problema sa Kontrabida Academy. Like, you will not, parang, maiinis ka sa character, wala. As in, it will give you all the pleasure and all the good things in Kontrabida Academy. It's so good. I would recommend it to watch. Ano siya? It's about Gigi. Tang-inang Globe. Text ng text. Anyway, it's about Gigi na naapi siya in real life. And then, parang binigyan siya ng TV. And then, yung TV na yun, pinapanood siya ng mga, ang tawag din, nakakanood siya nung, bata sa api? Something ganyan. Anak sa api? Basta ganyan, nakalimutan ko yung title. And then, yun, nakapasok siya doon sa TV, naging kontrabida siya. And then, yung mga na-learn niya sa Kontrabida Academy, na, ang tawag doon, na a-apply niya in real life. So, parang nakaka-revenge siya sa ibang tao. And after nun, graduate na siya ng Kontrabida Academy. Naka-ano na siya, naka-taping na siya. Kasama niya na si kasama niya na si Eugene Domingo. And then, ang galing pala, ang ganda ng casting nila sa Kontrabida Academy kasi lahat ng mga kontrabida sa mga iconic Filipino movies or Filipino movies nandun. So, good shit. And then, ang founder nila si Cheryl Hill. Correct me if I'm wrong. If ganun, si Cheryl Hill ba yun? But yeah, the iconic kontrabida of Filipino movies. Okay? So anyway, one of the founders pala. Kasi may isang babae pa nun, pero nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. But yeah. And then, ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga ang ganda niya kasi wala talaga, as in, wala kang magiging problema. Parang, you're not gonna, maiinis ka sa cartoon. Wala. As in, matatawa ka lang. It's a very good is movie. I would recommend. And, wala lang. Ending nun is that yung isang si Arnolfo, diba? By the way, yung yung school ng mga bida was San Bida. Doon inisip ko, para siyang San Beda. San Beda University. Kasi may San Beda University ata dito sa Pilipinas. So, parang baka connected nun. So, share ko lang. Random thought. So, yun, sa Arnolfo ata, ang pangalan nun, nakapunta siya dun sa real life with Gia or Gigi. And, good ending for everyone, I guess. So, ayun. So, I'll give Contrabida Academy a 7.6 out of 10. Yeah, good thing. Ganda siya. It's a good movie, but I think I would watch it with friends. But alone, no. So, ayun lang naman sa my 3 movies. Today, or the next few weeks, I'm planning to watch Spider-Verse. Naka-download ako ng Spider-Verse, pero hindi siya English. So, maghahanap pa ako ng English na into sa Spider-Verse kasi I want to learn sa multiverse. Kasi feeling ko amats ko ngayon ang multiverse. And I'm planning to make a graphic novel. Joke, charis. About multiverse. But I don't know. May commitment issue ako eh. Pero I really like the idea and the story of it. So let's see if masanod ko yung dream ko. But it's about multiverse. So ngayon, I'm learning about multiverse from movies. So ayun. Ano pa? By the way, let's end the movie reviews and let's proceed with the life update. Actually, life update, hindi ako nakapasang UP. And then, yun lang naman. Actually, dati very sad ako. Pero ngayon, I think it's a blessing in disguise. Hindi ako nakapasa ng UP. Kasi if nasa UP ako or LP or Diliman right now. And then, may problema ako. Hindi ako makakauwi dito sa amin. So sad, I guess. So, yun lang naman. I think a lot of things did change. But so far, I'm loving for what I am right now. I'm loving the experience and everything and stuff. Love ko siya. And I couldn't ask for more or less. And sana, this year, maka-travel ako. Alam mo may pera, pero yun, manifesting, maka-travel kami. And then, ayun, I think wala na ako masasabi kasi gusto ko lang talaga mag-movie review and then mag-journal and stuff. By the way, na-scam ako. Tangina mo Maribet Ursua. If you're watching this. Ay, wala lang. Yun lang naman. Wag kayong magpa-scam and if masa-scam kayo guys, wag kayong, if they are asking for payment na hindi Gcash to Gcash, that's no. Big no. Wag kayong magpapayag dyan. So, yun lang naman. Nothing much. I really want to finish this and then edit and then upload. Wala naman akong mararant. But I really want to be active again dito sa channel kasi wala lang, nakakatuwa lang, nakakatawa lang siya. So, yeah, bye-bye I guess and I hope I'll see you in the next one.